First of all, the emergency situation is, you are not, I mean, this should not come as frequently as you are saying. Not every moment is emergency. No, first of all. Secondly, even if the emergency situation is there, if you have faith in the Supreme Lord, you will not get deviated as much as you are doing as of now. Somewhere you are deviated by the situation. As I just explained, you have no control over what is happening around you. So it will not that suddenly one day you will have control. It will not happen immediately. But you have to do a little bit of practice. First of all, work on your root and heart chakra, as I explained earlier. Secondly, have some faith in the Supreme Lord. People of this world, all around you, all your relatives, they are not supposed to help you out. They are not supposed to help you out every moment. No, you cannot expect things to go in a certain way. The idea is that if you have somebody, if you have some supreme power, if you have some connection, or some faith on your deity, on your God, or your Supreme Lord, on your Guru, they are the one who helps you in those difficult conditions. You cannot expect everyone to come across and help you out, even if they are there, even if your relatives are there. For example, in time of corona, nobody was able to help anyone at all. People can just make you like available on phone, that's it. No, nobody else is there. So the idea is, do you have some companion, some friend who is present always? I have. My Sadguru is my friend. I have one friend who is available for me 24 by 7 every moment, just listening to me. कबीर साथी सो किया, जिस युग युग सदा जिस युग युग सदा बसंत, कबीर जी कहते हैं कि आई हैव मेड अ कंपेनियन, मेरा एक साथी है, मेरा एक मित्र है, जो हर समय सदा सर्वदा हर कंडीशन में मेरे साथ है. माई कंपेनियन इज देयर विद मी एट इन एनी सिचुएशन. क्या आपका ऐसा विश्वास है? Do you have such faith available? If you have, then that is only the Supreme Lord. You cannot expect the people to come across in any situation and help you out. Even if they are so loving and so caring for you in the normal day-to-day life, which most of the people are not, but still if they are, will they come across to you when you will face the death? Will they come across? Nobody will come across. No. हमारे संत जन भजन गाते हैं, धर्म राजा लेखा मांगसी, कौन छुड़ाएसी हाथ तेरा, कौन छुड़ाएगा तेरा हाथ जब धर्मराज लेखा मांगेगा, तो उस समय में कौन करेगा. सो आपका कोई साथी है जिसके साथ आपने ऐसा प्यार किया है, परमात्मा का कोई रूप आपके साथ है? नहीं तो करिए, साथी बनाइए. दैट्स व्हाट वी आर सेइंग. Create a faith at this moment. This is the time when you have to believe on the Supreme. If you are not doing it, you cannot expect things to go in your way. हमें पता है कि हम यहाँ भी होंगे, हमारे साथ हमारे सदगुरु, हमारे परमात्मा स्वरूप गुरु हमारे साथ हैं. So we are not afraid of anything. That's what the power of a gurumukh, the power of seeking a guru, the power of having a guru is that you can face any situation. उसके भरोसे पर हम भव सागर से तर सकते हैं, उसके भरोसे पर हम संसार से लड़ सकते हैं. उस एक का भरोसा, एक बल, एक आस विश्वास, स्वाति सलिल सतगुरु चरण है, चात्रिक तुलसीदास. मेरा मन सदा सर्वदा उस अपने प्रियतम भगवान के साथ जुड़ा रहता है. बस एक वो भरोसा बना रहता है कि कुछ मर्जी हो जाए, मेरे गुरुदेव मेरे साथ हैं. आप भी ऐसा करें. Make sure that you have a deity or a faith in such a way that you are not deviated by small things like that.